Hi everybody, this is H11 Ultra with 49mm in metallic case, which supplied like original box, also contains instruction, theoretical working time 5 to 7 days, battery life, power saving mode up to 30 days, and looks very interesting. Super version. Box also contains watch, and this is band, and this is wireless charging. Open case film, have additional screen protector film. Hello smartwatch, we have different dials, you can change on, and we have compass. You can also add it from dial market, your own dials. Sorry, rainy now, but this is dial, looks like very great. It's compass, very beautiful. You can change day or night. Also you can long tap, you can lock any your deals, remove every deals and keep only one your oven, so it's no problem. From application you can remove every deals other and keep only what like you. And if I lock it, this is no change more. Left swipe brings sidebar, activate weather up to 5 days, and from right swipe you can customize setting your oven application. You can add or remove, change position. You can every this orange button, you can bring up very many different sport modes, and you can also change calories or duration. You can customize, this is every you can settings. Right button brings up multitasking menu, you can rotate or delete. Down swipe brings notification center, looks like this. If you don't read at the moment, you will be red point have under the message. Also right swipe you can delete your messages if you already read, and top swipe you can brings up center. Here is Bluetooth, you can also block your screen to avoid false positives. Plus you can add password on the lock screen, and click to wheel, you can bring up main menu. We have two menus like Apple Watch and like list. So what you can make and receive calls, messages from different messengers. Also we have calculator, stopwatch, timer, you can customize it. Also we have game, like this is like space. Also we have voice assistant, it's long press on the wheel. We have control music, change track, control volume and play pause. Also you can control your camera. On smartphone you can take photo on the distance. Also you have receive weather, we have calendar, full calendar. You can change months, years, it's very good. We have measure different parameters, it's temperature, also heart rate and other. You can add alarm, you can change from direct smartwatch, you can add time, days, you can add. Also you can search your phone, and let's see how it will be looks on the hand. It's very pretty. Good, it's very interesting design, like original Apple Watch. It's very beautiful. We have just on the worst. Also we have always on display two versions. This is pointer or number, and as for me this is very better, like number. Plus also we have bedside clock. When we add to the wireless charging we have this watch. You can change position, horizontal, vertical. It's very interesting. And some widgets is active, you can bring up statistic, heart rate, and measure your heart rate. So if you like this video, please support, subscribe to my channel, and see you next.